What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. As you can see, we got a nice rolling smoke going down from these beautiful smokestacks, and man, you can smell that apple wood that we're using today to cook some beautiful pork steaks. Yes sir, man. Oh man, I can't wait. I have never had them before. I have never cooked them before, and man, we've been experimenting on a lot of great cooks lately. So as I always say, as you are watching, I am learning. So guys, we're gonna definitely make some beautiful pork steaks. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to turn the power on. There she goes. We're gonna open our lid as always. And while we're waiting for the rolling smoke to come through from here, guys, today's wood flavor is gonna be apple. Oh yeah. It's gonna be so good with these pork steaks, guys. Man, oh man. Alright guys, as you can see, we got a nice rolling smoke going through right now, so we're going to close our lid and we're going to crank our temperatures up to 250 degrees. Oh yeah. And we're just going to let this come up to temp. I don't know if you can see the smoke, guys. As you can see, it's coming down the chimney. Man, it smells divine. Oh man. Alright guys, we've been running about 248 to 253, somewhere in between those numbers for the last 15-20 minutes. And as you can see, it's fluctuating up and down due to the auger. But let's take a look at our beautiful pork steaks. Oh man. These are ready. As you can see, we got a nice sweat going on from the rubs that we just applied to these bad boys right here. And they are ready to go in here. See that smoke? Yes sir. Oh man, it smells so good right now, man. I bet you my neighbors are jealous right now. He's cooking again, he's barbecuing again. Shh, don't tell nobody. Oh man, we got some applewood flavors going on right now, guys, with that pork steak. Is gonna be so good, it's gonna be so divine. Oh man, I can't wait for the taste test. Anyway, let's talk about this step-by-step process of what we did so far, guys. All we did, we took a beautiful pork steak that we got from Walmart, we took it straight to the sink, we cleaned them off nice and clean, and all we did, guys, we dried them off with some paper towels, and with the moisture that was remaining on the pork steaks, man, we seasoned up to perfection, guys. Whew. Let's talk about that while we're at it. I know this is not Pitbull's brand, but guys, this bourbon molasses is the hint of sweet that we want to have for our sweet agent for our pork. Anything with pork, you gotta have a little bit of sweetness to them to give it that pop, to give it that sweetness flavor that makes it go, that's good. And this is it, guys. Man, bourbon molasses available at your local Walmart. Trust me, get this. And we finish off with our Pitbull's smoke infused applewood bacon. Wow, this is packing some major flavors, guys. Man, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but I already used at least half a bottle of this. This is amazing stuff. And we're gonna spritz these pork steaks with some apple juice, and we're gonna spritz it every 20 minutes to half an hour. The whole entire cook is gonna take about maybe an hour and a half. And with these beautiful pork steaks, guys, they're a half an inch thick. They're not gonna take long. We're gonna cook it to an internal temperature of 175, 180, and then we're gonna pull them off and let them rest for about a good 5-10 minutes, and we're just gonna have a beautiful taste testing part, which is my favorite part of the entire video, guys. Oh man. Pork steaks, man, who would have thought? These came from the Midwest, guys. They're not popular over here in Delaware, but I found them at my local Walmart and I had to grab them. I never ate them before. I never even attempt to make them before because it was never available, but I was lucky, found some, grabbed some from Walmart, and bam, they're right here in that Pitbull's Platinum Lockhart, getting that beautiful love from that smoke flavor right here. Did you see? Man, oh man. Guys, y'all stay tuned because the more I talk, the more my mouth is getting watery because that's, oh, that flavor. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, as you can see, we've been running about 259, 260 now, and it's been an hour at this point. Let's take a look at our beautiful, oh my goodness, pork steaks. Wow. Oh man. Tell me they don't look good, guys. I've been spritzing it every half an hour, so I only spritz it twice because it's only been an hour, and we're about to find out what are the temperatures internally. Man, oh man, they're looking so good, guys. So I'm gonna take my little trusty probe and we'll go straight down the center. Let's see. Yeah, 145, 146, 147, and it's rising. So we're gonna call it about 148 or so. Let's take one look at this one. Sorry, guys. 158, 160. Yeah, and I bet you this one is already at that particular number. 149, 150, 160, just about, yeah, and rising. So guys, we're looking for at least 175, 180, maybe 190 at this point. So we're gonna let it go for another 15-20 minutes, and I'm gonna spritz it one more time. All right, so let's spritz it. They don't need much, guys, because it's already nice and moist. Oh yeah. All right, guys, that's it. So we're gonna let them rock and roll for another 15-20 minutes, and we shall be back. Alright, guys, we've been running close to temp as much as possible. We've been running between 243 to 250, and let's take a look at our beautiful pork steaks. It's been a good half an hour at this point, and take a look at those beautiful pork steaks. Oh man, and some of them call it butt slices. Look at that brown mahogany color, guys. Oh man, they're looking so good. And man, my mouth is watering right now, guys. Alright, guys, so it's time to probe these beautiful pork steaks to see where we're at as far as temperature. So let's take our beautiful trusty thermometer, and let's take again the biggest one. Yeah, 179, 180. Yep, I'm gonna call it, guys. That's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to take a look at our beautiful pork steaks, and we're gonna see what it looks like right down the center. Take a look at that, guys. Beautiful smoke ring a little bit. Man, they're looking good. Still juicy and moist, as you can see right here. Whew. Man, you can't tell me they're going good, guys. Take a look at that. Oh yeah. So it's time for the best part of the entire video, which is what the taste test. And man, I've been waiting all day for this, as I always say that in every single video, but guess what? It's worth the wait. So let's talk about a little bit of these pork steaks. I mean, they are from Missouri, St. Louis, the city to be exact, and they originate from that Midwest. So we can't get them over here in Delaware, but I found them in my local Walmart, so I had to grab some, I had to make some, and now it's time to taste some. So take a look at the beautiful pork steak. Take a look at that. That smoke ring, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that glistening. Look at that moisture. Whew. Man. Wow. Definitely packed with flavor. The smoke infused Everwood bacon is definitely shining through. And I know, guys, this is a little unorthodox, but we're using the Cuisinart bourbon molasses, that sweet agent that we need to make our pork steaks nice and sweet. Oh man, very, very phenomenal. And again, we use the apple wood pellets flavors for our smoke flavors today, and definitely that's shining to it as well. So we did all this in our Pitbull's Platinum Lockhart, and man, it was worth every second of the entire cook. We did this for about an hour and a half, took it to 180 as far as Fahrenheit goes, and man, this is the results. Gotta have another bite. Whew. It's so good. Guys, sorry for eating in front of you, but this is pit mess privilege. So if you like barbecue and grilling, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, because this is your channel right here. Share this video with all your family and friends. Until next week, guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.